Becca gave up on the Rhode Island set forever. Okay, so this is task B. Okay, so task B. For this task, you will need to reset your well-being station and have your fully charged mobile phone or recording. In a moment, you will open the letter you received from another actor and read it aloud. But before you do, decide whether you wish to record an audio this a moment or make a video. I'm making a video. Set your device to record, which it is. Open your letter and read it aloud. Allow your natural responses to be part of the recording and any immediate thoughts you have. Take time to listen to every single word that has been written. Okay. So, this is my letter. I'm reading it. Okay. Dear me, I have deliberately decided to write to myself as I will have to show personal compassion, and that is something I don't usually do or find very easy. There are many different people who I am very grateful to for making my time in lockdown that much easier. People close to me who have grown closer to and shown their love for me in helpful and caring ways. Also, people who I thought I had lost have reconnected with me and given their time and attention, revealing to me that they never did stop caring. I feel that community spirit has shone through and people have re-evaluated what is truly important in life. It's important to remember all this, as these acts of kindness and basic compassion result in the recognition of self-compassion and self-gratitude, which I have been trying to work on a bit more lately. So here goes. Thank you, me, for keeping it together mostly during lockdown. Thank you for not only keeping it together but exceeding my mental well-being expectations. Thank you for not only keeping it together but exceeding my mental well-being expectations, and not only completing your CBT program, which has taken you 3 years. You continuously scored normal for depression, stress and anxiety in your last modules in a time where I'd imagine a lot of people's depression, stress and anxiety had increased. You scored. Oh, wow. Really well done, you. Thank you for taking on the caring role and making sure mum and dad could eat. You continuously went out of your way, driving all over for their shopping, even when you found the activity stressful and depressing yourself. Thank you for being a calm and caring role model to your 2 young children. Thank you for being patient with Reese and being concerned enough to try and work through inner chimp with him. Inner chimp. Thank you for being so proud of Maya. You feel your heart can just burst. Thank you for wanting that loving close relationship you felt like you've always lacked yourself, and wanting to learn from others' mistakes, to break the cycle, to want more for your daughter, to want her to be healthy, happy and successful in every way. Thank you for keeping up your fitness and exercise. You completed Couch 5K, something you never imagined yourself doing. You don't give yourself enough credit for this. Thank you for your small, thoughtful acts of kindness, the Easter egg, the cakes, the lager and matchmakers, the postcard, they show you care. You've done really well during lockdown. It's been a strange year, but keep it going. Your hard work will pay off. No one's perfect, remember that, but you have a good heart. Thank you for being the caring, crazy, theatrically mesmerising unicorn that you are. All my love. That's cute.